You want me to write a blog post about adding assets in FreshBooks. However, FreshBooks is an accounting software primarily focused on invoicing, expense tracking, and time management for small businesses and freelancers. It is not designed to be a fixed asset management system. While you can certainly track the cost of assets as expenses, or even categorize them in certain ways, FreshBooks does not have a dedicated feature for adding and managing assets in the traditional accounting sense, e.g., tracking depreciation, asset useful life, or detailed asset registers. As a project management expert, I understand the importance of clear, accurate information. Therefore, I cannot write a blog post explaining how to add assets in FreshBooks if FreshBooks doesn't have a direct, dedicated add asset feature for fixed assets. Instead, I can write an article about how FreshBooks helps track expenses related to asset purchases, how you might categorize asset purchases within FreshBooks for reporting, the distinction between how FreshBooks handles expenses and a dedicated fixed asset register, why a small business using FreshBooks might also need a separate method or software for formal asset management. Would you like me to write a blog post explaining how FreshBooks handles the financial tracking of items that could be considered assets, e.g., recording their purchase as an expense, and clarify its limitations for full asset management, rather than implying it has a dedicated add asset feature for fixed assets? This would be more accurate and helpful for your audience.